If you're a small YouTuber or just starting out on YouTube and you are frustrated because your videos aren't getting the views they deserve, then today's video is for you. If your videos are stuck under 500 views or less than 100 views, don't worry. We are going to go over exactly what you need to do to get your channel growing and break that view barrier. If this is a video you have loved to watch, please subscribe, like, share and comment, and I will tell you why your videos is being stopped. Let's dive in. The first thing now is to identify the problem. Yes, so why are your videos getting less than 500 views? First thing first, don't feel bad because every YouTuber goes through this phase. But if you want to grow, we need to look at what might be holding you back. Is it your video title, your thumbnail, the way you are promoting your videos? Maybe you are not reaching the right audience or your video SEO is off. Sometimes we create great content but we forget to optimize it for YouTube's algorithm, right? So if you are struggling to hit that 500 view mark, let's take a closer look at these areas. Section 2 is to optimize your video title. Yes, the first thing you need to do is to focus on your video title. Your title is one of the first things people see when they are scrolling through search results or when they are scrolling on YouTube to search for a particular idea or to get a particular problem solved. YouTube platform or their recommended feed. So it needs to grab attention. Yes, it needs to bring out curiosity so that when people come across your video, they will be like, this is what I want to click. Like, let me click this video. But it's not just about being always catchy. Yes, your title needs to be optimized for search. That means using keywords that people are actively searching for in your niche. If you're in the YouTube growth niche, use phrases like how to get more views on YouTube or grow your YouTube channel fast should be included in your titles when relevant. Yes, because these two searchable keywords are what people or what your viewer or audience are always searching for on YouTube because they want to know how to grow on YouTube for especially new YouTubers. Yes, they also want to know how to make money or some other relevant words, keywords. Now here is a pro tips for you. If you want to get those title keyword, always research what is trending in your niche and use those popular search terms in your title. You can try tools like VidIQ, ChatGPT or TubeBuddy. These three apps can help you to find the best keywords. The next one is to create thumbnail that pops. Yes, whenever you are making your thumbnail, you should make a catchy thumbnail that can pop out on the search results. Thumbnail are like the cover of a book. If they don't look appealing, no one is going to click. Your thumbnail needs to be clear, bright, and interesting. The best thumbnail are simple yet engaging. You want your potential viewer to constantly know what your video is about. Just be glancing at the thumbnail. Alright? For example, if your video is about growing your YouTube channel, show an image of a graph growing up. I mean a graph that is going up. Your face with like a wow expression or something that usually relates to the topic. Alright? Use constructing colors to make it stand out in the feed. I mean in the YouTube feed, and make sure the text on your thumbnail is big and easy to read, even on mobile devices, not only on laptops and all of that, but on mobile what devices. The fourth one is to focus on SEO. Yes, I have made a video about that particular topic, how you can add an SEO, different places you can SEO. This is the thumbnail. So if you haven't watched that video, it is the best video for you. So talking about your video SEO, a lot of creators overlook this. But if you want to get more views on YouTube, SEO is key. It is not just about having a good title and thumbnail. You need to ensure your video is searchable. Start by researching relevant keywords for your video. Use tools like Google Trends, TubeBuddy, vidIQ, ChatGPT. They can help you to find what people are actually searching for in your niche. Then make sure to include those keywords in your video's title naturally. Alright? Both your video title, your description, and tags, but don't just spam your keywords, because if YouTube should notice that your videos is contains a spamming keywords, they cannot recommend your video to that right audience, and they will see it like this particular channel is trying to play smart. They include a spamming keyword, so there is no need of what pushing their video. So you need to keep it natural and relevant to your content. I mean, you can use 3 to 5 keywords or tags. Just keep it concise and naturally. Just tell YouTube what your content is all about. Alright? A well-optimized description can also help YouTube understand what your video is about and who to show your content to. Don't forget the importance of your video tags. This is another area where you can add keywords that can help with discoverability. Another important factor is engagement. YouTube's algorithm loves video that gets good engagement, meaning like good engagement that includes likes, comments, and shares. So encourage your viewers to interact with your content in any way they can do it, in any way they can do it. Just let them interact, let them comment, let them share, let them subscribe, let them like that video. And at the end of your video, ask question in it or encourage people to leave a comment. For example now, you can say, what do you think is holding you back from getting more views on YouTube? Let me know in the comment section. You see, this will boost your engagement and help you to recommend your videos to more people. The more engagement your video gets, the more likely it is to show up in search results and recommended videos. Also, interact with your viewers by replying to their comments. Make sure that whenever your viewers drop a comment in any of your video, you try to react. Even if you just to react, if you don't have time to reply, there is no problem. It shows YouTube that your content is engaging, and that will help it to get more views. Even if you just uploaded a video now, don't just comment. Maybe you have another account, don't just comment. You can leave it for about 1 hour, 2 hours before you can do what? Comment on that video. Alright? So the next one is consistent uploads and promotion. Yes, I always say it on this channel that if you are not consistent, I don't know how you are going about your YouTube growth. Consistency is key. If you want to grow on YouTube, you need to upload regularly. Yes, I didn't mean every day. I did not mean every day, every single minute, every single hour you're uploading videos. Don't just post a video and hope it goes viral. Yes, create a consistent posting schedule so your audience know when to expect your new content. Like when people, like let's say for instance you always upload by 9 p.m. So when you have enough community, they always know when to expect your viewer. For example, now you know Vibe with Sonia. Vibe with Sonia always upload her videos around 10 p.m. So all her audience and all her viewers has know that this particular time Vibe with Sonia is a sure plug. So by that time, everybody is awake and waiting for what? Her videos to drop. So you need to have a constant what? Posting schedule that when your viewers will expect your new what? Content. The more you upload, the more chances you have to get discovered. But it's not just about uploading, uploading, uploading. It is about promoting your videos. Yes, promotion is another gatekeep towards uploading your videos. Share your videos on social media, inline communities related to your niche, yes, and with friends who might be interested in your content. The more people who see your video, the more chances you have to hit that what 500 view mark and what beyond. Alright, so this is how you are going to promote your video. You don't just rely on YouTube. You can just do the work. You can just do your own part by bringing in more traffic to your channel. I mean, so when YouTube see that you are getting traffic, yes, they know that they can synchronize traffic that are coming from another source, like external traffic, but try to do your own work part. Me, I don't promote my video, but I believe that people are seeing my post on my Facebook, my Instagram, my WhatsApp, alright? Because I post the my thumbnail there. And if anyone is interested, they can now ask me where is my video, what is the name, how can I get it? Alright, so that is it. I don't share my links, I don't do anything, but I try to put my video out there to get what? Traction. Finally, the last but not the least is analyze and improve. Yes, take a look at your channel analytics. YouTube provides a ton of data that can help you figure out what is working and what is not working. So why are you ignoring your YouTube analytics? Yes, you have a YouTube studio. So why are you not always going there to check the performances of your video? You don't just upload a video like that and expect a tons of what improvement. That is why YouTube provide that what studio for you. So you should pay attention to your analytics to know what is working on your video, to know how to make an adjustment on maybe a video that didn't do well, to know how to recraft or re-edit, just adjust something so that you can start getting that views and what subscribers with watch hours. Now, when you go to your analytics is about to know when people are clicking on your videos, like how people are clicking on your video, but and where they are dropping off early. Yes, maybe it might be your intro. Your intro needs to work on it. You need a work on your intro. Are your videos getting clicks but not converting into subscribers? Perhaps your call to action could be more what compelling. By analyzing your analytics, you'll be able to fine-tune your content strategies and improve your videos over time. And remember, growth on YouTube doesn't happen overnight. You need to give it time. Some persons' growth might last for 6 months, a year. Some persons might even start a YouTube channel today, upload their first video. Just in 1 week, they have start their YouTube channel have grown and they start getting what? Monetized. So you have to stay patient, keep learning and keep what? Improving. With time, you will have your what? Your channel what? Popping up. People will be talking about your channel. You will be among the viral what? Top creators on this YouTube platform. So, and that is it. If you follow these tips, you will be well on your way to breaking that 500 view barrier and growing your YouTube channel. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below with your thoughts. I'll be replying to as many comments as I can. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Make sure you hit the notification bell so that you wouldn't miss out on any time I upload video like this. Thank you. Bye bye.